In this video, we will show you how to change homepage on Squarespace website. For example, in here, my homepage website is look like this. Okay, we will close this first. This is my homepage. Then I need to change this with my new homepage without deleting the old ones. And we need to go to our dashboard first and go to your website configuration. In here, we will creating with new page as new home page. So just create new page in here. I start with blank page and I give the name is new home to easy for understand this is as home. Then we can click edit and click text section. I will add a blank section in here, for example, and this is just button. Okay, I will edit and I just make this button is new home. Okay, then I click save and you can see in here my home page is look like this. This is the default of my homepage website. To set this new page as home page, we can just click the setting in the gear button and click set as home page in here and click confirm. After that, we can try to reload our web page on Squarespace again. You can see now we have new home page without deleting the old one, so it's safe whenever we change the home page on Squarespace website. That's all tutorial how to change home page on Squarespace website. Hope this video helpful for you.